Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to publish an app using Base44. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Base44. Then click the official website link. And once you're on the home page, you'll see the prompt box where you can describe your app idea. Now, type your idea, like this example here. And after done typing your prompt, click Generate and wait for the Base44 to process your prompt. The Base44 will now build your app automatically based on your idea. This may take a few moments. Just wait until the generation is complete. And once it's done, you'll be taken to the app dashboard where you can preview and review your app. Here you can see how your app looks and functions before publishing. And to publish your app, in the upper right corner of the screen, click the Publish button. And this will create the first public version of your app. Keep in mind that publishing requires an upgrade base 44 plan, so make sure that your account is upgraded before publishing. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.